Good morning, students. Now, today we will discuss about our one of the natural products, that is terpenoids, and we will discuss the introduction and basic rules of terpenoids in today's class. Now, what is terpenoids? Terpenoids are the group of naturally occurring compounds, majority of plants, and few of other sources from just like plants and fragrance plants and flowers. From these fragrance-full plants and flowers, we will get the terpenoids. Terpenoids are the volatile substances. They are widely occur in leaves and fruits of higher plants, conifers and citrus and eucalyptus. Now, by the modern definition, terpenoids are the hydrocarbon of plants and origin of oxygenated hydrogenated derivative. Oxygenated means these terpenoids are belonging with oxygen molecule and uh, hydrogenated means on hydrocarbon compound. The general formula of terpenoids is C5H8 and they are unsaturated molecule and composed of linked isoprene unit. Isoprene unit are of 5 carbon units and they are also called as isoterpenoids. Now, from where we will get the iso rules, so we will discuss about the isoprene rule. Isoprene's rule are thermal decomposition of terpenoid. When we will thermally decompose the terpenoids and we will get the isoprene as a product. Isoprene rule states that terpenoid molecules are composed of two or more isoprene units. Otto Ehrlich pointed out that terpenoids can be built up of isoprene units. Now, the next, we will the modern definition, the modern isoprene rule, which is called as special isoprene rule, involved in 1925, formulated a special type of arrangement found in all terpenoids, based on how isoprene units in terpenoid are linked together. The branch end of isoprene unit is considered as head and other end is called as tail. According to this rule, isoprene unit in head to tail fashion, isoprene units are joined with one to another in C1 and C4. And what are the physical properties of terpenoids? They are volatile at room temperature, odorless, and they produce essence and active function of plants called essential oils, lighter than water, and they are optically active compound. Now, we will discuss about the classification of terpenoid. Most of the terpenoid hydrocarbon has general formula C5H8 and they are classified on the basis of number of carbon atoms present in the structure. Just like if there is a number of carbon atoms are 10, then the value of N is 2, and these are called as monoterpenoids. Just like 15 and value of N is 3, then we will get the type of sesquiterpenoids. There are various types we will discuss in this table. These are diterpenoids, sesquiterpenoids, tauroterpenoids, tetraterpenoids, and polyterpenoids. Students, today's topic is based upon the general introduction of terpenoids, their properties, isoprene rule, and the classification of terpenoids. So now these classifications are under explained in and subdivided in subclasses just like cyclic terpenoids, monoterpenoids, bicyclic and tricyclic terpenoids. And these classifications we will discuss in our tomorrow lecture. So